Hello, I'm SPC forecaster Chris Broyles with a multimedia briefing for Thursday, April 18th, 2013. This information is valid as of 6:11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The NWS Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma is forecasting the development of widespread damaging winds and a few tornadoes over parts of the mid-Mississippi and lower Ohio valleys today. The areas most likely to experience this activity include eastern Arkansas, central and southern Illinois, much of Indiana, western Kentucky, southern lower Michigan, southeast Missouri, northern Mississippi, and western Tennessee. Larger population centers at risk include Indianapolis, Memphis, Fort Wayne, Clarksville, Evansville, South Bend, Jackson, Terre Haute, Jonesboro, and Greenville. A moderate risk of severe storms is forecast today for the area outlined in red, covering parts of the following states: eastern Arkansas, northern Mississippi, far northwest Alabama, western Tennessee, western Kentucky, southeast Missouri, southern and eastern Illinois, Indiana, far northwest Ohio, and southern lower Michigan. A potential for damaging winds, tornadoes, some possibly strong, and large hail exists across the moderate risk area. Early morning satellite imagery shows a powerful upper-level system centered over the high plains and southern Rocky Mountains. This system will move eastward across the Great Plains later today as a belt of strong upper-level winds moves across the Mississippi Valley. A surface warm front extends eastward across the lower Ohio Valley and into the central Appalachian Mountains. This boundary will lift northward today into the Great Lakes region as a cold front advances eastward into the Mississippi Valley. The development of numerous severe thunderstorms will be focused in the warm air ahead of the frontal boundary today and tonight. A belt of rich Gulf moisture is currently located across the Mississippi Valley and will provide instability by afternoon over the moderate risk area that will support severe thunderstorm development. Severe thunderstorm development is expected to be ongoing this morning across the mid-Mississippi Valley, with the threat spreading eastward across the moderate risk area this afternoon into early this evening. The greatest severe threat will be for wind damage associated with a squall line moving eastward across the region. Wind gusts exceeding 70 miles per hour will be possible. A tornado threat is also forecast to develop this afternoon as the squall line organizes. It appears that the greatest risk for damaging wind gusts will exist across the mid-Mississippi Valley and Ohio Valley. Widespread damaging winds may also develop later this afternoon as the squall line moves into parts of Indiana, western Kentucky, western Tennessee, and northern Mississippi. The potential for tornadoes will be greatest from around Memphis, Tennessee, northwest to Indianapolis, Indiana. A few strong tornadoes will be possible along this corridor. This information is considered experimental and will not be updated after this morning. It is intended for general briefing purposes only. Please consult the SPC and National Weather Service websites as well as media sources for the latest watches and warnings.